Hi, I'm Sara Sullens, and I'm a consultant with Creative Healthcare Management. And I'm here today to tell you about an exciting workshop that we have coming up June 3rd and 4th, 2025. And this is called our Crafting Our Magnet Document based on the 2023 Magnet Manual. And this workshop usually is in person, but it's exciting this year because we're doing it virtual. We're bringing the classroom to you. So this is an interactive 2-day virtual workshop, and it really looks at an overview of the best practices when you're creating a magnet document. And so let me tell you, it doesn't matter where you are in your journey, whether your role's an MPD, maybe your role is helping to write the magnet document. Maybe you haven't even started a journey yet. You're just looking into it. It doesn't matter where you are at in your journey. This workshop is for you. We really spent a lot of time looking at the 2023 Magnet Manual, and it's an interactive. So we have a learning portion and didactic time spent on breaking down the manual. So if you've lived in the 2019 manual, maybe you're looking at a redesignation using the 2023. We really look at what's new, what's changed, what's eliminated. We take each component of the Magnet Manual and we break that down. And what are the requirements? What do you need to do? What are some strategies that maybe you can incorporate into your writing your document in your organization? And let's say you haven't been on a magnet journey yet and you're starting that journey. So what are some structures and processes you can put in place early to help you write your document? There'll also be time that's spent on the data requirements around patient satisfaction, RN satisfaction, and nurse-sensitive indicators. And so we really look at the sources of evidence and we break those down. And we are giving you the tools and resources that you can take back with you and have this little kit that you can open up when you get back or when you're in your organization writing that you can utilize. So some real lived experience. And we talk about best practices and challenges that we've seen in clients that we've had during this 2-day workshop. And really, you can start looking at what are some of the things that you have in your organization and even start stories during the workshop. And so registration is live now. We'd love for you to come and join us in June for this very exciting virtual workshop. We hope to see you there.